Yo guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I am mixing up a little batch of Oriental Herbal Nutrients with some fermented plant juice in a gallon sprayer, because it's time to get this garden started. So the OHN will take care of any pests, and the FPJ will give a little fertilization. So I'll just fill up this gallon sprayer here, and I'll start spraying it around. I just got my teaspoon of OHN, a teaspoon of FPJ to a gallon of water in my sprayer. Okay, now I'll just throw the top on this sprayer here. And what we're going after is a little fertilization with the FPJ, and then with the OHN, we're attacking little guys like these. So I got some aphids that are doing their thing out here on the kale. We'll spray it down and take care of business. So now just pump up the sprayer and we will start spraying away and taking care of all kinds of little critters out here in the garden, as well as provide some fertilization for these plants. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with this kale here and go ahead and spray away. Always good to do it in shade and not in direct sunlight. Great to do it in the early morning and late evening. So with that, guys, I'm going to get to this Korean natural farming and taking care of all my lovely plants out here in the garden. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and Korean natural farm.